are we winning today? Mr. Wright, are we winning? Or what are we learning in investing today?
What's up, y'all? Here go another video from Digger Crypto. So we're gonna get into these banks. Why are they failing? And what can you do to help yourself gain in case all banks go bankrupt? So I looked at this article and I'm on Coin Market Cap, which is a good place to go to get news, learn about cryptocurrencies, just to learn about the different products, all that. So now we on this topic, say a wild week in finance. What happened and where do we go from here, right? So to me, it's already signs that's letting you know ahead of time that you need to be doing something to help save yourself and your family from financial failure, or going the banks taking y'all your money and you don't know what to do. So in this video, we're going to explain what this article is all talking about. So it says 3 American banks, Silvergate, Silicon Valley Bank, and Signature Bank, have failed so far. They're going to get bailouts. Some of the banks are going to get bailouts and somebody's going to take over. But after receiving $30 billion rescue from a large counterpart on Thursday in an effort to, the price dropped 33% on Friday, experts believe the banking stock will be under pressure as a result of uncertainty.
The stunning collapse of Silicon Valley Bank last week sent shockwaves through the banking sector.
Silicon Valley Bank becoming the second largest bank failure in U.S. history.
Rattling customers.
They just came out and told us that the bank is shut down.
And stoking fears of another financial crisis.
Americans can rest assured that our banking system is safe.
SVB, true to its name, grew as fast as the tech industry did. The bank of choice for startups and venture capital funds, the bank expanded at a breakneck pace, all the while putting much of its capital into safe, long-term investments like U.S. government bonds. But as inflation hit and interest rates rose, those investments became far less valuable.
The market did not respond like they thought, and the ramifications were that they were running out of money.
Word soon spread in the tight-knit tech community that SVB was selling investments at a loss to shore up its balance sheet. Panic crept in, and customers suddenly wanted their cash back fast. On March 9, SVB customers withdrew $42 billion in just 10 hours. A day later, SVB collapsed, followed shortly by Signature Bank.
Another bank, Credit Suisse, is having problems as well. So, as you can see, multiple banks are starting to have issues. It says several banks, governors like Jerome Powell, Chair Federal Reserve, and Christine Lagarde, president of the European Central Bank, have reassured the public that the recent volatility is not a sign of another financial crisis. Now, 2008. Now, I can't believe that. I just won't believe it. I don't trust everybody, so I have to trust myself and my family. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna explain certain things that I'm doing to help me and my family. So it says what really transpired when the cryptocurrency market crashed. Silvergate Bank was the first U.S. financial institution to fail. That's another bank, Silvergate Bank, which had something to do with the crypto market, they say. So as you can see, a lot of people are starting to take their money out of banks because they seeing banks fail. And as you can tell, the Secretary of Treasury, Janet Yellen, she said that a person asked, if I have $5 million in this bank, do I get a bailout? And she said no. So I mean, that'll make you leery. Like, if my funds not covered and the bank end up closing, then what I'm gonna do? So let me take my money out and put it in a bigger bank, because the regional banks it might not work out. So let me get my money up out of there. So that's kind of like what a lot of banks are going through right now. People are taking their money out so they can, put it somewhere where they feel that it's safe. So, I mean, we all gotta go through something like that. So you got the billionaires talking about it. You got Ray Dalio, Michael Burry, Jeff Gunnerlatch, all billionaires. They speaking on the situation. So let's say, what's going on and why is it happening? The Federal Reserve have been aggressively hiking interest rates over the past year to curb inflation that has been stubbornly high for decades. It says a recession can be triggered by high interest rates. So as these rates are steady climbing, you're going to see people probably laying off because things is rising. They can't afford to pay the people. So a lot of people probably going to end up losing their jobs. So what are you going to do in case that happens? Ask yourself. You have to prepare yourself. It says for you personally, what does this mean? It says the current stability in the banking sector raised a prospect of a recession and has far-reaching ramification for individuals' ability to make sound financial decisions. Financial experts warn that this could make it harder for people to get credit, raise the interest rates on their savings, or make their investment lose value. So the anxiety amongst depositors regarding the security of their funds has also increased. See, something that I was telling you, like people don't know what's going on, so it's like a lot of people getting scared. And it says FDIC insured, but they're gonna take care of the main people first, and then anybody after that is not gonna be able to get any funds from the FDIC. So everybody's not insured, even though they say it. So things that I can say that I'm doing. I don't know what you would do, but this is what I'm doing. And maybe you could take some of the things that I'm doing and add it to your mind frame of thinking and make it happen. I am getting gold. I'm getting silver. I'm making sure our house is generated. I'm making sure that we have food. Making sure we have toilet tissue. You see how it was when we was running out of toilet tissue. So I'm making sure we have toilet tissue and a cryptocurrency. I'm going to have cryptocurrency because if I got cryptocurrency, you see how it's been skyrocketing lately because all these banks having these issues. So if you watch so far, please like, subscribe, and tell people about what's going on. Educate them, see what they think, have discussions. But with that being said, Digger Crypto out. Never forget where you come from. DJ, drop the beat. From the hood, now I'm a star. Watch me grow. Watch me grow.